What's up, you guys? Faith here. I'm back with a little try-on review of some new Buff Bunny items coming. Buff Bunny collection. Everything is going to launch this Thursday, which is super soon at 12 a.m. Central Standard Time. So right at midnight, Black Friday. I'm really excited for this launch. It's called the Frozen launch, and everything is beautiful from it. There's also going to be a ton of items that are going to go on clearance for... I hope you like my backdrop also. But there's a ton of stuff that's gonna go on clearance at the same time. So bunch of like shorts and sports bras, leggings. There will be a huge Black Friday sale as well as the launch. So bunch of goodies for you guys to look at. So I'm gonna show you some of the items that I received. I haven't even opened it, so we'll get to do that too. Alrighty, so we got this. I kind of peeked a little bit because some of the items were outside the box, so I just wanted to see. Alrighty. Alright, so I've got 3 items right here that I am actually really excited for. This first one, we've got the Live Free legging in Glacier. This is the Permafrost Pullover, which I've been seeing all over what the other girls have tried it on, and it's beautiful. I'm going to try that on. And then we've got the matching Glacier, or no, this is Alaska Lynx Leggings. So there's a ton of different blue colors coming out. So yeah, and this is ice water. So like these are 3 different blues. So a lot of blues, whites, grays, things along those lines. So let's try some stuff on. All right, so up first we've got the Lynx Leggings here in the color Alaska. Love this color. It's a really, really pretty, like almost like periwinkle, but darker kind of blue. And it's got these detailings like the seams that kind of lead up down your leg. Typically I'm a medium in Buff Bunny's clothing because I just like a little bit of space. These are a small, so you can kind of see they're a little tighter, but they do fit. Like this is how I should wear leggings, but I've kind of talked about before, like especially after pregnancy, I'm like a weird in-between size where I'm like not super comfortable with tight things, but I know they fit, but just like mentally, they just feel like they don't fit, if that makes any sense. But these Lynx Leggings in Alaska, size small. I'm 5'7", around 135, 140 pounds. So I'm gonna kind of show you guys these. So I love like the wide waistband that they have, very flattering. And then it kind of like swoops down here in the back to show off the booty. We've got the logo, of course. And kind of show these off to you guys. Very comfortable. Material's like super, super soft. It's not like the standard like athletic spandexy material, so I really like that. And they feel amazing, and they hit me like at the perfect ankle length. Don't know if you can see, but they hit at a really good spot there, so really like these. All right, up next we've got the Live Free legging. These are one of my favorite pairs. I have these, I forgot what other color, but one of my favorites. These are a size medium, so you can kind of see I just feel a little bit more comfortable in this size. So a lot of times I tell people to size up in the leggings, just depending on your comfort level, I would say. So these are really nice. Once again, wide waistband. This is like a darker blue, so I'm going to show you the difference here. So this is Alaska and this is Glacier. So you can see there's quite a bit of a difference. These are like this darker, more denim style blue. And wide waistband, the crotch seam, excuse me, though, but I'm going to show you, it's like a open kind of cut. It's not that triangle, so you're not going to get a camel toe. It's not like a seam going straight through there, which is nice, but you can kind of see these are really cute. Very flattering. Once again, we've got nice seaming, kind of outlining your butt. And overall, I really like the fit of these, so these are the Live Free leggings. And I want to show you guys the box that everything gets sent in, because it's always amazing, and presentation-wise, they do just such a good job. So you can see here, we've got this really beautiful blue box, Frozen theme, with the symbol in the middle, Buff Bunny logo there. So I'm going to open this up and show you guys. Move the camera so you can see it with me. Open that up. Ooh. And we've got some snow here, super cute. Point on the presentation. So we've got the fake snow on top, love that. We've got the sticker, which I think all orders come with. I got like a super sparkly, pretty Buff Bunny Frozen launch sticker. Got the little pamphlet here, gorgeous. Love that. We've got the launch date, November 27th, 2020, 12 a.m. Central Standard Time. But we got the snow, like I said. Look at these. I'm gonna have to sweep up anyways. So cute. We've got like the little pearl puff earmuffs. That's what they're called. Little pearl earmuffs going on. Love that. And look at this, matching mittens. So cute. Wow, that's so pretty. These matching mittens that turn into mittens, or they kind of open up to be like fingerless. I'm sorry, I can't get over these. So cute. Little matching set there. I'm gonna move some of this out of the way. Woo. All right, and then let's look at what's inside and then I'll try it on. So up top here we have Monarch Bra and Glacier. So this will match those Live Free leggings. We've got next up McKinley Sports Bra in Alaska. That'll match those Lynx leggings that I have out already. This right here is the Motion Legging in Frostbite. So this looks like a little pattern action going on. I'll try that on. Looks like a matching sports bra. Yes, Frostbite Jade mesh bra to match those leggings. Cute. What else is under here? Ooh. We've got Northern Lights legging in Icicle Blue. And I think these are like the pattern, like there's a pattern to these a little bit, or a sheen. I'm really excited for these because I've seen people wearing the black ones in this and the jacket. So I want to see what that looks like because I also got the matching jacket here in the Icicle Blue. So that's the Northern Lights jacket if I'm not mistaken, and it is. So I'll try all these on for you. I'll keep the snow in the box. Woo. Okay, so up to sports bras now. Like I said, we've got a few matching outfits to go through. So this outfit is all in the color Glacier. This is the Monarch Sports Bra, which means we've got a really pretty back, open back design, which I love. You guys know I love like the sports bras with the cutouts or like wide open backs. So this looks beautiful together. The color is stunning. And I'm wearing my earmuffs and gloves with it too. So this is the sports bra. Full coverage, fits really, really well. We've got a slight V here in the front, very flattering. And I'm wearing, I think that all the sports bras, just taking a look. Yeah, I think all the sports bras I'm in a medium now. So I started kind of like in a large and now I'm in a medium. So it fits really well. Like how it's covering me, not too tight around my rib cage, which I do have a wider rib cage. So a lot of times that's an issue that I'll have, but this one fits really, really well. All right, next up we have this set in Alaska. So these are the Lynx leggings again, like I said before, and the top is the McKinley Sports Bra. So it's that pretty lighter blue color. This one doesn't go down as far on my rib cage, so it's a little bit higher up here, and it's got like a scoop neck instead of the V. And then once again though, we've got another really, really pretty kind of cutout back design. Love it. It looks really good. And loving all these colors. I'm definitely a blue toned person, so I like to wear blue a lot. And all the colors are really, really pretty. So that's the next set. So we got a new pattern here. So this pattern is called Frostbite. So you can see it's like a white with a really light blue scattered on it. Love it. The leggings are called the Motion Leggings. These are a size medium. These are a little bit more like the athletic material, so more sweat wicking for like higher intensity workouts. So really like that wide waistband, high rise, covers everything, kind of sucks you in. So those are really comfortable. And then this is called the Jade Mesh Sports Bra. So it's pretty normal from the front, you can say. Same pattern in Frostbite. And then the back here, you can see we've got some nice cutout details and the mesh detail right here along the back. So really pretty mesh detail kind of thrown in there. And this is kind of how this one fits. this. So this is the Permafrost Pullover. Love it. It has like a cropped fit, you can see here, which literally is like at the perfect length right above your legging line. This is a size medium and it's still like form-fitting, very flattering. So I would suggest kind of like going around your normal size or even sizing up a little bit, because I'll wear usually like a small in tops, but with like sweatshirts or long sleeve things, I like a little bit more room. So this is a medium. It has this like really nice material. It's like, I don't even know how to describe it, but it's a pattern you can see here, and it like, it's textured, I guess I would say, and just really pretty. I don't know, I keep saying really pretty, but it's a half zip, so you can see we've got the little Buff Bunny zipper here with the neckline, half zip. It just fits perfectly. I don't have anything else to say really besides that. It literally just covers right what you want to cover and shows what you want to show. So I really like this top, and you can wear it with black or white leggings or really anything. It is a slightly different color than any of the other stuff, so just for comparison purposes, this once again is the Alaska color, so I'd say it's a lighter blue than that. This is Glacier, so darker. So this is kind of like right in the middle. And before I forget, this is Ice Water, so this is in the Ice Water color. Another matching set, this is the color Icicle Blue. So all right, so one more time for comparison, we've got the Icicle Blue, we've got the Ice Water, Alaska, Glacier. So this is like more of a minty blue color, I would say, lighter so than the Ice Water. So Icicle Blue, this is called the Northern Lights leggings and jacket. Me personally, styling it wise, I personally would not wear it all as a set, unless I was wearing like the jacket open. Just with this color, like I know there's a black one of this as well. It's just a lot going on for me to wear it as a set. But you can see here, it has like this sheen to it, which is really pretty. It sparkles a little bit, which I really like, but all together, a lot going on with this kind of color. So I would wear it like so with a different sports bra, maybe like black or white, but I would definitely wear it like this, the little open action going on, because that looks really nice. Or I would just wear them separately with like a black sports bra or like black leggings with the jacket. So the jacket is really high quality. It feels really nice on my skin. We've got the thumb holes, of course, really nice zipper here. And I know I just showed you, but this material is just so shiny and sparkly, really pretty, just high quality, kind of like very flattering here on the back. So you've got a little more coverage on the butt, and it's a full zip. This is a medium, which fits really well. A little loose on me here, so I could go with like a small, but we've got pockets, which is nice, so just nice and toasty warm. So that feels nice. Leggings, I'm obsessed with. It's that same material, so just shiny and like sparkly, full waist, high coverage, everything going on here. Nice inseam, feels good on the crotch area, and then the back, full coverage. You can see squat test, everything is full coverage. You don't need to worry about that. So that is also a nice thing when you buy from Buff Bunny. But yeah, that's kind of everything. So thank you for tuning in. I always get excited to open the boxes. That's the first time I like opened it in front of you. So hopefully you like that too, because it's just exciting to see what little goodies were in there and like the additional add-ons that they put in, which is always fun and just a really nice touch on their part. So loved all the items. If you like blue, this is your launch. So the Frozen launch, it is coming 12 a.m. tomorrow, Thursday, the 26th Central Standard Time. So check it out and grab your stuff, because the Black Friday stuff is probably gonna go really, really fast. Everything's on sale, so go take a look, okay? Thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll make more YouTube videos soon enough. No promises though, because we know how that goes. All right, bye.